Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the alarm app and confirming it can send notifications and play sound. Once done, make sure your phone volume and do not disturb exceptions permit alarms, otherwise nothing will ring. Now tap the add or plus button to create a new alarm. Choose the wake time precisely, then pick repeat days if you need a schedule. While you're here, give the alarm a short label so you'll know the purpose at a glance. Next, you'll customize the alarm so it actually gets you up. Select a sound that's loud and distinct. Make use of fade-in if you prefer a gentler start. Then set the volume level and decide on snooze length and how many snoozes are allowed. If available, enable vibration or smart wake windows to catch lighter sleep stages. Make sure any linked smart lights or routines are toggled on. They'll reinforce waking. Finally, review repeat rules and save the alarm. You should always run a quick test alarm to confirm everything works. Set a test for a minute or two ahead, then wait to verify sound, vibration, and any connected routines trigger. Once successful, return and confirm the real alarm is active in your list and labeled correctly. If the test fails, check app permissions, battery optimization, or background restrictions, and do not disturb exceptions. If those are fine, restart the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.